Where are we headed to, driver?
No man's land.
Oh, let's get her going then. We got a damn good show for you tonight. What do you say, Jane?
Yeah, we got a damn good show. Let's get her done.
All right. Good day, fellow YouTubers. Thanks for joining me here for another historical video transmission. This one, we're not going to do a bottle digging video. This is going to be sort of like an unboxing video with a twist. Somebody today has given me this old doctor's bag, and I'm going to say it's at least 100 years old. Check it out. It's in pretty rough shape. But, you hear that? There's stuff inside of it. So, we're going to open it up here on film, see what's inside, and if it's, hopefully it's something interesting. Otherwise, this video is not going to exist, and I will simply be doing this all for my own entertainment and enjoyment. And don't forget, folks, get yourself something to drink. The doctor is in the house. Okay, folks, so first off, let's open up this front part here. Now, there would have been another clasp over here. This thing seems extremely brittle. I don't see anything down inside there. Okay, let's close that back up. How about this? Yeah, there's nothing on that piece there either. All right, give me a second here. All right, let's see if we can get into the handle's a little bit loose on it there. This is very cool. I love this stuff. It's quite a bit dusty though too, so let's see. Well, it would have taken a key there. Check that out. So, something's moving there. There we go. No. What the heck? Jeez. I better move that drink in case it goes all over the place. What the heck? No, I don't know. Maybe I need the key to get into it. That's gonna suck. Hold on, folks.
Later.
Okay, I'm back. I managed to get it open with a little bit of pain to the old fingertips here. There's a lever, but man, was it ever stiff. All right, here we go. Well, I don't see any doctor's implements in there, but we'll go ahead and see what's in there just the same. There's a piece of wire. I don't know what that's all about. Just set that to the side. Here's a little book here. Look at that. Spring opening, 1907. Brock and Patterson. Yep, mail orders, our special hobby. 1907. Look, 1909, April 26. Oh, there it is there. Look. An old little book with some writing in it. There's some more dates, 1907, 1908. Very interesting. Oh, look. Check that out. It's like a business card. H. Acker and Sons. Wholesale dealers in hides, calfskins, pelts, wool, fur, rubber, and metal. St. Stephen, New Brunswick. Right on. That is so cool. So cool. There's another one. Look. Oliver T. Evans. Electrical engineer and contractor. 10 Waterloo Street, St. John, New Brunswick. That is incredible. Very cool, very cool. All right. This could take a while. Man, oh man, this stuff's so interesting. Here's another little metal booklet of sorts. Okay, it's just another little booklet with some notes and stuff in it. Same age range, I'm guessing. Look, there's an address somewhere in St. John, New Brunswick. This one's like aluminum. See if we can find a date. 1903, look at that. Nice. Patent applied for right on the end of it there. All right, we're getting in there now. Here's something here, piece of paper, all folded up. Some writing on it. Something for $1.40. Yeah. And let's see what else we got here. Here's a piece of cardboard thing. Popular series. Get a look. That's kind of interesting. What's this here say? At the sound of the drum. Okay. Okay, that's that. And at the sound of the bell. Join the Havana Club. What else we got in here? There's something there. Check that out. What the heck? Looks like it might go in your hair. Very cool. What the heck is that doing? The doctor, I'm guessing this isn't, these aren't doctors' instruments in this bag. Here's something here. What's that? Okay. Okay, cool. Wow. A little pair of doctor's glasses. Was that there? I don't want to break anything here. This stuff is extremely old. I think it goes the other way. Wow. What a cool find. This stuff is amazing. Amazing. Oh, there's all kinds of stuff in the bottom of it here. Look at this thing here. It's wooden. Nothing in it. Cool piece though, just the same. Very cool. Interesting stuff. This is all interesting stuff. All right, folks. Well, I'm going to move the bag up here a little bit more. Check that out. There's a couple jackknives sitting there. Early 1900 stuff. Wow. Those are nice. This is some nice stuff. Nice stuff. There's some sort of apparel thing there. That's different. Give me a second here, folks.
A few moments later.
All right, I'm back. There's, okay, what's like a book. Geographical Problems Performed by the Globe. Interesting. Kind of. Look at that. Chapter 1 of Europe. And it's the viral divisions. What the? I can't even pronounce those words. All right, let me set this here somewhere. Look at that. I had a drink and I didn't even hear the bell. That's incredible. Gin pills for the kidneys. National Drug and Chemical Company. Oh, like a bunch of cufflinks. That one's got like a friggin' diamond or something, probably fake, I'm sure. Anyways, that's a neat stone in that one. All right, well, they're not pills anyways, but that's a neat tin. Very cool, very cool. Love all this old stuff. I'm running out of space here. Let's put that there. There's not much left in here. Here's a... Okay, I thought that was a pencil, but it's not. It's into a pipe or something. I think the same as this. Check that out. The end off smoking pipe. Neato. I have to move my drink out of the way here to make room for all this stuff. Move that book over that way. Put these up here. Something like that. Should make for a nice cover image. Here's another little one each night at bedtime. It's like a little cardboard tin. Okay, it's more, it's got, well, these are like buttons in this one. Right on. And one cufflink, I think. Buttons and a cufflink. That button says something on it, but I can't quite make it out. Neat little pillbox. So far, the doctor was doing. Don't tell him what he was doing. Here's a something here, a letter. It's dated 1916, I think. Okay, this has some names on it. I'll probably have to cover them up. But I'll read it out loud here. I understand by Greg Waters that you accuse me of stealing a blanket or something from your stable or premises and had a notion of sending the marshal up. My advice is for you to send him right along, dear sir. You can prepare to prove that matter. Just as soon as I can get a vacant day, as my business doesn't permit me for a few short days, you must understand I value my reputation more than all the property you ever possessed. So therefore such unregularity cannot be permitted. By what you told Greg, give me enough that you must certainly prove your own words. So, something the matter, settle the matter at once, as I will not have my recommendation brought down in such a manner. A letter to somebody about a stolen blanket. That is quite incredible. That is incredible. All right, there's a few more loose things in here. There's another cufflink or something there. A little brass ring. We got some more paper material. This is just a supper for somebody. So, a little piece of paper. This is okay, that's a receipt from 1910. See, it's got some names on it too. I will refrain from showing those. I'll have a better look at it later. Here's something. What? St. John, New Brunswick. And golly, it looks like playing cards. Look, gold edge on them. Very cool. Look at that. There's not 52 there though. Oh yeah. Wow. Man, oh man. Man, oh man. Check these out. Queen of Hearts. King of Clubs. Jane would love these. They don't even have numbers on them. Read 'em and weep. The King of Spades. Well, there's several face cards in there anyways. That is so cool. This may be the coolest thing I've seen all year in any of the videos I've watched on YouTube. This is incredible. Alright, I got a couple business cards, it looks like. There's one from St. John, 1113 Princess Street. Something vulcanizing company. Man, oh man. I love this stuff. And finally, we got a bunch of these. It says Wizard. And there's a patent date 1888, I think it says. Let's see if we can zoom in. 1888. February 5th, 1888. Wow. Anybody recognize those? What the heck is that? They got like a clip. Let me zoom back out here. Like a clip and... Huh. Neato. I'm going to have to set these down, folks, and I'm going to see if I can look them up online, and I'll get back to you here in a minute. Okay, folks, I am back after a few minutes here. Turns out these are cuff clips. Now, I didn't know, but maybe some of you did. Back in the day, your cuffs would be detachable from your shirt. And if your cuff got dirty, you would just clip on a new cuff to the shirt. It would go like that. This clip would go up inside your sleeve, and your cuff would attach into there. Now, there's some folklore that these were also used for card cheats. You would clip this up into your sleeve and you put the card in here. So you have like an ace up your sleeve, so to speak. An ace up your sleeve. Which, by the way, this is very interesting because there was cards in here with it. That, my friends, is incredible. I don't know what to say. Let's have a drink. Wow, wow, wow. What an amazing gift this was. Wow. I'm beside myself. Look at this. Wow. Okay, folks, I'm excited. I'm gonna look at this stuff a little bit better by myself here. But thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up, comment down below. If you have any info on any of this stuff, please feel free to put it in the comments below. Love hearing from you. Over and out. Have a great day, everybody. Catch you all on the next one.
Where are we headed to, driver?
No man's land.
Oh, okay, they're going then. We got a damn good show for you tonight. What do you say, Jane?
Yeah, we got a damn good show. Let's get her done.
All right.